We're now on to the markets. We saw the Nigerian equities markets recording losses since Monday, over 5% lost in just 4 trading sessions. Well, joining me now for a market update is Chinenyem Anyanwu. He's the CEO of Dependable Securities. Thank you so much, Chinenyem, for taking the time out to join us.
Thank you, Esther.
Well, let's talk about those what is being said right now among the broker community on where this index is headed. Are you anticipating further losses in the new week?
Well, I think I have to speak first positively. The index had lost so much. In the stockbroking community, the belief is that government need to do something, particularly things that could be done within Nigeria, the shoring up of the Naira, and it is expected. The index haven't bled so much. The prices are so good now to get into. We believe that the market will react. People will react to it by buying stocks, and demand and supply will act in. Prices ought to move up in the week that is coming.
Now, Chinenyem, we've been talking about that here all week, how stretched valuations are at this point and how very attractive so many of the stocks are at this moment, even among the banks and the consumer goods. But that hasn't been enough motivation for investors to snatch up this stock. So what could be different next week? Perhaps could we see a return of foreign investors? Or what else do you think could encourage local investors to take that plunge?
Well, like you know, the foreign investors are the ones that cause most of this sway. The local investors are not trading like the foreign investors. And foreign investors, we believe, act rationally. Where would First Bank go to at 9 Naira plus? It can only move up. By the grace of God, I believe it should move. Foreign investors ought to return, and that's expected of them. And everyone that wants to make money in the market is actually time to return, because these prices are too good to be ignored.
Okay, well, the price is too good to be ignored. What stocks can we keep our eyes on for the coming week? What stocks do you think could make headlines, particularly among the banking stocks and the consumer goods?
The first one I mentioned was First Bank. First Bank at that price is good. Haven't shed so much weight. UBA tried the rebound today. At that price, it looks good. And it's difficult not to name another, because almost all of them are too good in their prices are too good.
Now, at this time, because we've seen the all-share index breaching one technical resistance level after another, at what point do you think the market will get so exhausted and just get to a particular resistance line where it will just perhaps stay there, perhaps in the short to medium term?
Well, like I said, even at the price we are today, if I had spoken with you yesterday, it was so gloomy, it was such that nobody could sell. A couple of us couldn't sell anything. But today that the market provided the buyer, even though at a lower price, that's a sign that is recovering.